As a real estate agent, if you wanted to learn how to post your listings to Facebook Marketplace in up to 20 different groups at the same time to get more buyers and sellers, then you're going to want to stick around because we're going to go over a step-by-step process in this video today. Hey, what's up? I'm Brandon Melvin, Realtor and Team Leader. I help coach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers on how to grow and scale their real estate business through creative and innovative digital marketing, content creation for social media, as well as tried and true methods to have your business work harder for you than you do for it. If you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, close more deals, and scale your team, you'll absolutely love this channel and today's video. Jumping right in, what you'll want to do to get started is on your computer, open a tab for Facebook. At the top, you'll see this little button, Marketplace. You'll want to click on that. Off to the left, you see some options. You'll want to scroll down to where it says Create New Listing. There's two different ways I would like to market homes for sale. The first way is item for sale, and the second way, home for sale or rent. This is the way that we're going to cover today. If you would like more information or a video to market item for sale, definitely drop a comment item for sale in the comments below, and then I'll reach out to you. We'll arrange that so you can check out how to do that. But for today, let's check out home for sale or rent, how to market that. Your personal page is coming up here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add photos to a listing that I currently have. So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to go find those photos. Once I've located the photos, I'm going to highlight 10 photos that I want to showcase for this particular listing. So I'll do that now. Now that the photos have loaded, I'm going to check their arrangement. So I want to move one of these pictures down to the end. That way I've got good pictures in the beginning and the end of the front of the home. Now, scrolling on down, home for sale or rent. This one is for sale. Property type. We're going to say this is a house. Number of bedrooms, you want to fill out all this information correctly. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It is listed for $289. Property address. Now we have that. And the property description. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the MLS, and I'm going to copy the description I already have so I can save myself time. Paste that in there. Then the property square feet. You want to put all this information in as well. Laundry type. In-unit laundry. Parking type. Air conditioning. Heating. Then once all of this is correct, you'll click Next. Then review that. You click Next. So this is where Facebook will allow you to market to up to 20 different groups. And I'm going to go select 20 different groups because I want to make sure my marketing is going out to as many different groups as possible. So I'm going to do that right now. And here we have it. That listing is ready and it's been put in 20 different groups. So if you found value in this video, do me a huge favor, smash that like button. It really helps. And if you've been watching me for a while and haven't subscribed, consider doing so and hitting the bell. That way you're the first to learn about all the great content I put out, helping realtors like yourself grow a successful business. If you've been watching me for a while and you're considering joining me at eXp Realty, check the description below. I have a link. You can schedule a free personal Zoom call. We can talk about what that would look like also. Until next time, y'all go sell some homes.